I've been spending my time wisely. Now they all tryna be like me. I've been putting the work on the low and getting the shine on the high key. I got no time to be wasted. I know all good things come with patience. I just got back from the road. All of these dreams I was chasing. I've been spending my time wisely. Now they all tryna be like me. I've been putting the work on the low and getting the shine on the high key. I got no time to be wasted. I know all good things come with patience. I just got back from the road. All of these dreams I was chasing.
Check the watch, know I'm with it. Everyone's gotta be digging it. Judging by the way you came up be here. I'm figuring you don't even know how to live it. You live it. I'm struggling to find out the difference. Ready to find out if you're ready or not. The vision blurs and I'm hearing the whisper. Now it's time to see what you already got. Highways, selling highways, living in the interval. Yes, I have as always. Gotta rock the mineral. I got a few dark things provoking the people to spark up a stark change. Let it go. Look to my people that tell you what's up. Following me and I provide you the rush. All of these syllables making me blush. Quality, quality, no need to rush. Here we are and here we go. Everybody wanna know. You thought you could come up in here and imitate me? Dead and buried with the flow. Triggering that looking to raise up this area. You now experiencing this mass hysteria. Only get an iller with a side of malaria. Ain't gonna have never want anyone curious. Look, hey, who do you think we are? Couldn't afford a nice car, but now we far. I've got a question to beg. Who do you feel that you are? I'm sense of darkness and I'm sense of pain. The anticipation is keeping me sane. Started out once and I was chasing the fame, and then I realized that everything was staying the same.
I've been spending my time wisely. Now they all tryna be like me. I've been putting the work on the low and getting the shine on the high key. I got no time to be wasted. I know all good things come with patience. I just got back from the road. All of these dreams I was chasing. I've been spending my time wisely. Now they all tryna be like me. I've been putting the work on the low and getting the shine on the high key. I got no time to be wasted. I know all good things come with patience. I just got back from the road. All of these dreams I was chasing.
Alternate, there is no opposite. I am predominant. My confidence keeps like anonymous. We're under populous. My games are opulent. My games are opulent. Making approximate face time to document. I am just proud as that you are an ox.